Hello and welcome to Glady's Cake Kitchen. In today's video, I am bringing you a whole of items that I picked up online via Amazon and WINDSOR Cake Craft. Now, if you haven't heard about Amazon, I don't know which rock you're hiding under, but a click of my Google search tells me it is our world's largest online marketplace where you can literally pick up anything. WINDSOR Cake Craft, however, is a UK-based online cake supply store that supplies cake products, materials, tools, and equipment, including consumables. They are a retailer I have used in the past, continue to use, and enjoy their products and services. And if you're wondering where you could pick up some cake supplies in wholesale or affordable prices, maybe this should help you. So without having to waste your time, let's get straight into this video. First of the items I picked up is this apron. It can be personalized with a few details. I went for obviously Glady's Cake Kitchen with baking and decorating made easy for beginners. The only reason I'm showing you this first is because so I can conveniently put it on and assume the look of the baker we know. This apron comes in at $14.99 and including VAT, the total price I paid for this was $17.98. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. Thanks for joining me on today's video. Over here, I make simple, informative tutorials, including tested recipes, and I also occasionally bring you haul videos like this one and general information about your cake and ingredients, tools, and equipment. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you are already a subscriber, I am so grateful to have you today, and I hope you enjoy today's video. The first on my list of WINDSOR Cake Craft items is this pack of 100 5-inch cake cards. Now, if you've watched a few videos on my channel, you will see I use cake cards a lot. And if you don't know what cake cards are, they simply serve as a barrier between the cake surface on which the cake is being decorated and, of course, the cake. So cakes are layered on cake cards and helps during the transfer process. This came for £9.75, which works out less than 10 pence per cake card. So that is reasonably affordable. Next set of items is a pack of 10 10-inch boxes. This came at 62 pence per box, and for the 10 I paid £6.20. Also from WINDSOR Cake Craft is a pack of 10 10-inch cake drums. If you don't know what cake drums are, simply they serve as the final destination where a cake is decorated and displayed on, and can be used as a surface on which a cake card can lay for layering cakes. And it retails at 83 pence for one. So for the 10 I paid £8.30. Again from WINDSOR Cake Craft is a pack of 10 12-inch cake drums. These came as a box and board combo. Together with the box and drum, each retails at £1.65. So for 10 of this, I paid £16.50. Again, from WINDSOR Cake Craft are these Eezee dowels. These are the 30mm ones that retails at 30 pence per dowel. And I got 5 of these, one of which I have already used. So for the 5, I had to pay £1.50. But these are very light and slightly flimsy, so I wouldn't be risking using them for my tiered cakes at all. I'll be checking out for some heavier ones that would be appropriate for heavier cakes. But for 30 pence, I guess I cannot complain. Next on my list is a single gold leaf 24 carat that I'll be using for cake decoration. Finally, from WINDSOR Cake Craft is this 225 gram pot of CMC or tylose powder. Tylose powder is a hardening agent that is added to fondant elements and can be used as modeling paste for making flowers and other things. But if you want your simple models to dry very hard, tylose powder is recommended to be added to fondant to help with drying things hard. With that said, the 225 gram tub came at $18.99. So totally at WINDSOR Cake Craft, I spent $64.99 in total for everything I got. Now with the items from WINDSOR Cake Craft done, the next items we have to get through is the ones from my favorite Amazon. And first of the items I already told you about is my personalized apron from Amazon retailing at $14.95, and with VAT came up to $17.98. The next, of course, is this Vietnamese rice paper that I bought to be used for rice paper sales. This retailed at £2.25, and for a minute I thought I'd got myself a bargain until it arrived and I realized that postage for this particular item alone was £2.46, which was more than the price of the rice paper itself. So with VAT, this item came totally to £5.20. The next set of items from Amazon are these PME white candy buttons and the pink candy buttons. The white one weighs in at 284 grams per bag and retails at £5.29 for a bag. I'm not sure if that is on the cheaper side, because the equivalent of that, which is Deco Melt, which I normally buy from my local Hobbycraft, retails for 250 gram bag for £3.50. The pink bag, however, which comes for a 340 gram bag, retails for £3.35. So the pink one tends to be cheaper than the white one. Not sure why. Along with the PME candy melt, I bought this heart-shaped diamond silicone mold, which comes with 8 wooden mallets. I'll be using this for the geometric cake heart, and the mold itself comes for $9.99. Next 2 items are the Sugar Flair Extra Red and Sugar Flair Extra Black. This is the 400 gram tub, and this is the 42 gram tub for the black. The 400 gram tub comes in at $24.99, and the 42 gram tub comes in at £5.52. I normally use this to color my fondant or ganache for use on cakes. And a little detail to note here, it is nut and gluten-free and very suitable for vegetarians. Another item from Amazon is this apron, which comes in at £19.90 by Pom Chick, a company on Amazon that does personalized aprons. This also, I have the same details. Glady's Cake Kitchen, baking and decorating made easy for beginners. We have tested recipes and simple tutorials for you. So you can customize any of this to your liking, and I just picked up a neutral color, which I guess will be suitable for the kitchen. So if you're still new here and you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this and more. And don't forget to leave a comment down below or click the like button to show some form of interaction. And on to the last item I am excited to show you that I picked up from Amazon as well. It is this beautiful cake stand that I bought for myself. Now, if you've seen my videos before, I have said somewhere in the past that the cake stand that I have used for my entire cake career, I picked up from my local Sainsbury's for £6. So I was looking to pick up something that was usable, ergonomic, and very fit for purpose, and was affordable as well. At exactly $29.99, this aluminium alloy cake stand is very sturdy because I have tried it since it's arrived. It has rubber feet that sits very well on the surface on which one is working, which stops it from moving around during the cake decoration process. The top of the cake stand itself is non-slip, so you can skip the use of a non-slip mat, but a non-slip mat would give you extra grip. And to add more to the package, it came with a few extras, which is this 2 palette knives, a straight palette knife, and an angled palette knife to help make decorating cakes very easy. And that is not all. The next items they added are some piping nozzles, a few of them here, flower nail, some piping couplers, and a couple of cake decorating combs. You have 3 main combs with different edges to help with cake decorating. I guess this is a good deal for any beginner baker who wants to pick up a few items that comes as a bundle pack. And with that said, all the items from Amazon came up to a grand total of £123.61. But I am happy with my purchase, and I hope you have found something that you can also buy at an affordable price on Amazon for your cake decorating. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this, and don't forget to like and share this video, especially if you've enjoyed watching. I have other videos of tutorials and cake recipes down here on this channel, which should help you and empower you towards your cake beginner's journey. So until I see you in my next video, thanks for joining me on this episode.